Should you pay for your trading charts or just use something that is free? A very good question, and a question I remember asking when I was just getting started as a beginner. And I understand the whole idea. It all revolves around perceived value, which in a nutshell means, oh wow, if that thing is charging money, that thing must be better because it's charging money, or it's charging a certain amount of money. And you have this idea of there must just be value there simply because it's charging money. And that's what I want to address. Free charting software versus stuff that charges you money. And I want to illustrate this by walking you through an example that just happened in my private community where I posted an image of a chart, and then we'll see what happens next with the chart. So let's walk you through this example, and then we'll take that next step. So this is the image that I put into our chat room talking about this chart and a couple of key dynamics. First one, it took place at 11:07 a.m. And then the key level to watch right there at $445.84. And then the alert itself, I was just questioning, hey, is this going to be some sort of double bottom? Meaning, is the price going to go down to that yellow line and then bounce and go back up? So there we are, basic chart in there. Posted my ideas around it. We now have a time, we now have a price, so we can see and make sure that there's no games being played on my end, that what I posted, and then we'll see what happened next. So real quick, you can see that this was happening again at 11:07, and then we have that price right there of $445.84. So let's see how things played out from that point. Price did drop down some more. You can see right there, went down and hit that level very, very nicely. So what happened next? Did it double bottom? Well, just like that, check it out. The price made a very, very nice bounce in the upwards direction. So just an absolute classic double bottom. Now, maybe you've been screaming at your screen, Clay, you didn't tell us. What is this a free platform we're looking at? Is this a paid for platform? You kind of left out that key detail. You're right, I did leave it out, but I left it out on purpose because what you just witnessed here was free charting platforms. And that's the thing that you have to remember. I have to remember. I paid for charting platforms for a long time. But in this day and age of technology, any charting platform, all it's doing is communicating to you information. It's the same exact information. And so at the end of the day, this was a totally free chart platform. And I'll tell you about that here in just a few minutes. Not even a few minutes, just a few moments. But it's completely free. Completely free. So keep that in mind. Why would you pay? No, I understand why people pay, so I'm not saying you're totally wrong to pay, but if you're trying to watch a budget and you're sticking to a very strict budget, I'd rather not pay for stuff if I don't have to, then you totally do not have to pay for your charts because it's still communicating to you the same exact information that another platform would. So you got to keep that in mind, and you just witnessed it here. This double bottom was discovered, was alerted, was traded with just simply a free charting platform. And this platform is Webull, and they always have cool promotions going on. But if you are looking for a platform, then this is one that you could use. They also are a brokerage, so you could use them to do your trading with zero commission, zero fees, and they offer a lot of other good services. I'll put a link down below, and if you use that link, then you can take advantage of whatever promotion they have going on. Usually it's free stock or free money. That is an affiliate link so transparency's sake. If you use that link, I will also get something. But if you're looking for an easy, free way to just help out the channel, then yeah, use that link. You do have to deposit some money, like $100. But the thing with that is it's not like you're paying for anything. You could then use that money to go and trade with if you wanted to. But by depositing the $100, you unlock the platform and all that sort of stuff. And you'd have access to the exact same chart that I'm using and the exact same type of situation that I illustrated right there for completely free, other than the $100, which again you could use for your trading. So that's what I'm using. Now, is Webull the only free chart platform out there? I'm not making that claim. My only claim is that if you're really running a tight budget, do you have to pay for charts? Absolutely not, because they're all communicating the same information at the end of the day, as you saw here. So I hope this helps, and I hope this kind of just quickly get to the point of, oh yeah, I guess it's not quite as much of a need to pay for item as what you maybe thought that it was. So thanks for watching. Hit that like button, leave a comment down below. And like I said, if you want those Webull charts, use that promo link so that you can take advantage of the free stock and free cash or whatever they're giving away. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.